Today, we're going to build a Type 7 shuttle using 9 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I've been wanting to do a shuttle from Star Trek for a while, and I came across this design on Pinterest and really liked it, so I thought I'd share it with all of you. But it's to start with this 2x4 plate piece. And on the front 2 studs of that 2x4 plate piece, I'm going to grab this 2x2 curved slope with lip. And I'm going to put that curved slope piece on those 2 front studs to create the cockpit of my shuttle. And now on the back here, I need to start raising it up. And to do that, I'm going to grab a 2x2 plate piece, put it on those back 4 studs like this. I'm just slowly raising it up. And then right behind my slope piece on these 2 studs, I'm going to grab a 1x2 plate piece. And just put that 1x2 plate piece right there next to the curved slope cockpit. And now we've still got these back 2 studs here. On those back 2 studs, I'm going to grab these 2x1 curved slope pieces and put it so that that slope is in the back, and then it just kind of curves around to give that more smooth look of a Star Trek shuttle. And then I'm going to do that 2 times. So I've got 2 of those curved slopes, put it on that back stud, and I still need to raise it up just a little bit. You see it's a little below the cockpit, a little bit below that curved slope, and I also want to smooth it out. So I'm going to grab a 2x2 tile piece, put that on those center 4 studs, and I've got the top of my Type 7 shuttle. And now all I need to do is create those engines on the bottom. And to do that, I'm going to grab 2 of these 1x2 plates with sidebars. Now I put the first sidebar right here where those curved slope pieces open up at the bottom, the anti-studs there, and just kind of stick it in there. And then I need to extend them out. So I'm going to get that second bar piece, still have the bars facing forward, but just put them so that the bars are touching and they look like one piece. And here's my Type 7 shuttle from Star Trek.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.